The following segment is sponsored by Oakview Medical Associates.
There's a difference between deciding you want to lose weight and then actually achieving that long term. Dr. Nita Bajor is here from Oakview Medical Associates to talk about it. Hi, Dr. Nita.
Hi, Margaret. How are you?
Good. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Different people find weight loss success using different strategies, but overall, what are some of the inspirational words you might say to a patient to help them get into the right mindset to get started?
Wow, that's a great question. I have a few good tips and inspirational thoughts. One would be to begin with the end in mind. Think of the best version of yourself when you do this. The other one would be to really focus on the small victories. Don't focus on big, of course you want to look at the long-term picture, but focus on little things that you do in your life that have a lot of meaning. Another one would be take it one day at a time. Don't be overwhelmed by the whole, big grand scheme of things. And the fourth one, which is really important, although it's weight loss, it's really lifestyle gain. So that makes a big difference.
I like that. And I know you encourage your patients as well to set these specific, measurable, and attainable goals. So we're going to go in depth on that in a few weeks. But right now, let's talk about some habit and some lifestyle shifts that can help somebody get started. I know we need to rethink our grocery shopping. What do you say about that?
Absolutely. We all do grocery shopping, right? Whether it's online or not. So one tip would be to shop in the periphery of the store where all the fresh produce is kept, the vegetables, fruits, all the whole foods are there. The other one would be to not eat foods that are out of a box or bags. A third one would be to plan ahead. Make sure you really get that grocery list and plan before you go out. And another big one would be to eat and hydrate before you go and shop so that you don't just, impulse buy a lot of food. So that's a good one.
Don't shop hungry. That's an excellent tip. And along with healthier eating, the other lifestyle changes that really make a difference might have to be with, making an effort to move more. And this doesn't mean you have to start hitting the gym every day and be really intense about it. Just moving more it could be a small thing.
Absolutely. I have a lot of patients that, they start off with a good intention. They want to work out 5 days a week, and then within a few weeks, it just doesn't stick. So I'd say focus on really the small things that you can do. Maybe just taking a walk around the block a few days a week. And, the guidelines recommend about 150 minutes of regular physical activity every week. That's about 30 minutes, 5 days a week. So try to get it in the morning, in the evening. It's a cumulative effect. So don't stress about it. Another big one is muscle endurance. Build up your muscle. It's not just about walking and running and jogging, but even small little weights in the house, that all adds up and it keeps the weight off long term.
Anything that keeps you going builds a good habit. Also, healthier choices in general have to do with, really everything you do at the practice. At Oakview Medical Associates, you talk about helping people make these better choices so they can avoid and reverse chronic health problems instead of writing the prescriptions for them after the fact. What makes the practice so special?
So our practice, I started it in 2008. We're a family medicine practice, comprehensive, see all age groups. We take all insurances. We help people where they are and move them into a better cycle of health. And that requires time. We spend time with our patients. We listen to them. We do that in a very non-judgmental approach too. And we do focus on urgent care, chronic care, preventive health. We do aesthetics, age management, hormone medicine. So there's a lot that we do, but we do it really well, and our providers are very, very friendly, very communicative, and we want this to be, health is a big part of your life. So health is actually wealth. And so we believe in making you really feel empowered about your healthcare decisions, giving you all the tools, the knowledge, and then you can make the best choice for yourself and your family.
Yeah, because really there's a lot to keep in mind when it comes to getting healthier. And every time that people come into your office, they're getting that from you, and you're working with them one-on-one. So really important conversations to have. We appreciate you being here.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oakview Medical Associates is located at 11 Five Forks Plaza Court in Simpsonville. The number 627-0444, right on your screen to make an appointment with Dr. Nita.
Thank you.